With the prevailing issues of illegal collection of money by the check gates in the 4 districts of the state, the executive member in charge of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council held an emergent meeting wherein it was informed by the CEM, Mr. Titos Derwal Khan, that transparent and conspicuous stringent instructions will be issued to all concerned officials and lessees posted at these gates. The Council will prepare and formulate a detailed rate accordingly. It was unearthed that perpetual exploitation for profit by overcharging the rate of different items formulated and fixed by the Council was taking place. If the alleged occurrence takes place yet again, arduous, stern action will be taken against, as stated by the CEM. If one is to be found guilty of such illegal activities, their license shall be revoked. Furthermore, a decision was taken that beat officers and forest gates shall conduct thorough checking and scrutinization on trucks trading timber for transit pass, without which the vehicle will be seized. However, should the beat officers fail to follow suit, the order, a suspension notification could be issued.
Nakaliang iya mencari sakot lut iki nongwai. But kumjuru ia ki beat officer lani itu ki in charge. Ki be in charge ki beat. Banang ni syakman. Babaro ki forest check gate badan. Ki diban check lut ia ki trok ki bakit be an ia ki dir. Ki bamdan ia ki tipi. Ki bamdan ia ki tipi. Ki officer ki jongi hidai ban sis ya gini kali. Dan akaun hapok bang. Mentaman ke dor basnong ngidon akaun hapok bang. Ki bang ki pan ya ke pankat. Ki pan ya ke pankat. Kila sedang menpan pankat naki balang, la sedang menpan naki seng, mentah kila sedang menpan naki dor basnong. But lada ki dor basnong pat kilai ban apply ya kani ke pankat na po income tax. Ke income tax ka ong. Ba hidai ban register kum ki society. Kari kan bu kajing ma. Ba ngibu kajing keli. Balai indon kam pankat yangi ki local authority. Ki dor basnong hidai ki local authority ki jongi. Kibala itu ada ke constitution. Dan tak ada mila penkre ya kini ke notification. Na kaliang jongi ke F2 committee penginpa syabaro akibang bakim day ban ya ki pankat na ki local darbasnong ki jongi namar ki don ki day ki local authority kat kum ki ak pakiru jong ki anji badon bagai district council. Na tak ada kimde ban pan ya ki pankat na ki kita bos. Kita dikarai ban. Siap. Ini sini. Like no. Katu kan ni swaga Christmas ya ke area jong ki nongtre ya ke area jong ki pensioner ya ke area jong ki member swa jong ka Christmas.